Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, August 25th, 2026. Let's take a look at the economic calendar for today. So what do we have here on the economic calendar for today? On the high important data releases. As you can see, we got German GDP data up from 0.2% to 0.3%, and we are still waiting for the building permits data from the USA, scheduled for release at 2 o'clock. 2 hours later at 4 o'clock we got CB consumer confidence data together with the new home sales. So this is the calendar with the high important data releases for today. So without any further ado, let's switch to the charts and we start with euro dollar. Euro dollar for our time frame chart is showing us a potential short-term double top roughly around 1.1711, and then we have a movement to the downside below 1.1669. So this level will now be the technical resistance. Next target for the bears is roughly around 1.1622, and as you can see, the momentum is falling from the extremely overbought conditions on a 4-hour time frame chart down towards the level of 50. Right now this level is being tested. So after a very nice movement to the upside, it's time for the let's say pullback. We are out of the channel. As you can see, we are out of the blue channel. I just deleted the blue channel. We are out of the yellow channel. Right now I'm just wondering whether any other channel would be necessary for this analysis. I think I will place one more parallel channel. So maybe something like this can be useful. However, this movement to the upside, as you can see, is not really very well scheduled. So right now this channel might not be that much necessary. I think we should stay with the blue one. So okay, so that was the euro dollar. Now British pound. As you can see, British pound on 4-hour time frame chart is above the blue channel. The market made a almost 100% extension to the upside, local high 1.3674. Now we are testing the upper channel line, and the situation here is very interesting, because we went from the extremely overbought conditions down towards the level of 53 points. So almost the level of 50 is now being tested. Right now I'm going to remove the Fibonacci. We know that there is a little bit of the miss to hit the Fibonacci level. So right now the situation looks even more interesting, because any breakout to the downside will open the road towards the level of 1.3572. So the pullback might continue lower. US dollar versus the Japanese yen breaks to the upside from the potential triangle on 4-hour time frame chart with the positive momentum. Right now 58 points. So the next target is the local high at 159.75, and then eventually we are going to enter the zone between 160 161 if this momentum pace will be sustained. The gold market established a new swing high at 4,796. So there is only like $24 miss from the 21% level. This 21% level, as you know, is the level that we are using to measure the range of the extension to the upside. The previous one on the wave X was 19.23. So right now we almost hit the 21% already, and this is the technical resistance that might be quite useful for the measurement. Right now, even if we move this measurement a little bit lower, this situation will not change that much, because right now we got 19% as far as I'm concerned. Yes, 19.29. Almost, look at this. We hit the almost the same level of the extension to the upside. 1929, roughly around 1917. So that's the marginal wave, that's the marginal level here. Extremely overbought conditions. So now it is to be or not to be for the gold bulls, obviously. Why? Because the movement to the upside here previously on the wave X and the movement to the upside here on the new connector wave X is exactly the same, right? Almost 100%, 99.9% the same. So that's a very interesting situation. So if we break higher and if we go towards the level of 4,772, this is the new level, new technical resistance, last technical resistance before the wave X high, which is at 4,889. And that means the extension to the upside is bigger than the extension in the wave X. So it means that there is a much more bigger effort from the bulls made into this movement to the upside. So it will not necessarily be the connector in the wave X, especially if this swing high 4,809 is violated, right? So right now it's almost perfect geometrical situation when the movement of the wave X is exactly the same as the movement of the potential wave XX, double X, right? So another connection. So it is to be or not to be for the gold. Let's see what they will do. Now, daily time frame chart of the S&P 500, quite interesting as we are narrowing the level of 38%. Nevertheless, we've seen some kind of a bottoming signals when we hit the momentum with the oversold conditions twice. Now the market is ready to move higher, but of course we need to break above this technical resistance of 7,700 in order to fly higher towards the swing high 7,816. Crude oil moving lower. We are out of the channel on a 4-hour time frame chart. A local low made just today was 84.11. So right now, well, we can say still that okay, we are fighting for the technical support, even if we add this level here. So right now we are fighting for the bulls are fighting for the technical support. Any breakout lower will be definitely visible towards 82.99 and even towards 80.09. Momentum is negative already, so there is a bearish pressure to push the prices of the oil lower. Now Bitcoin, last but not least, the Bitcoin is testing this level that we wanted it to test after very nice bounce from the level of 75,600. So local high 81,306, and we are exactly in this area where we should see more let's say bearish let's say more bearish activity. So bears will be defending this level. If we take a look, level and the zone, if you take a look here, you can see that we have established very strong rebound to the upside. As strong as we fall down, we rebounded, I think even strongly, back towards the level of 82,000. Local high here was 82,850. So any breakout above this zone, it will be definitely considered bullish, and that situation here looks very interesting. So please keep an eye on the current behavior of the Bitcoin, because we are entering very dangerous zone, crucial zone, key zone in the short term for the Bitcoin bulls. So there will be definitely some sort of the activity here, and please keep an eye on this activity. Very interesting situation on the Bitcoin these days. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.